Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Honey. I am one of the social operation in Italy. As I said before, I will be informing you of the story of this coronavirus every time. And let me start with the new notice of today. Today, the dead people, according to the head of the protection this evening, he said the dead people altogether totally is 1,441 people. Only today was 175, but all total is 1,441 people. And people who have affected positive to the virus is 17,750 people. And people who get well by the grace of God is 1,966 people. If you sum it together, it's about 21,157 people who are all together with this virus story. Please be aware, stay away from this virus. It's not a thing that we should joke with. And the people they have tested in Italy till now is almost about 10,900 people. And these are, they have not yet totally see the positive people because some of them when they test it, it doesn't result immediately with time. As we just hear in the telling that they are tested even Trump in America. So let's wait for the result. So as we know, even the ministries, all those people that are working under this ministry, those big people, they are now even affected, the footballers and all. Please be aware. And good news, the Chinese have just brought 9 of their workers, their good daughters, to come and help Italians to exchange the good Italians have done for them. So they come here to exchange their own. So they are the one that are going to work now. They have already started. That is why you see today, I don't know, those people that was living in my area today, no movement is totally. You see the police were only roaming around with their car, with the horns and with the what they were talking on micro, saying at home, remain at home, don't allow them to cut you. When they cut you, it's no longer paying a fine or anything. This now is an offense. You have to take a lawyer and to fight for your case. Then your name is already spoiling. Remember, when your name is destroyed, they have written your blacklist. Remember, you are going to renew your document. Remember, you don't have document yet. Remember, tomorrow you plan to become a better person here. You want to become anything, a nurse, a doctor, or whatever you think you are. Don't violate the law to rule your life. Please remember. And remember again that there is no mask anymore. They say no mask is anymore. So the one the Chinese people brought along with them, the doctors need it. So you people, the one you have, keep it with yourself. If you don't have, use your sharper, the one we use on this code to cover your mouth when you go out. Please, anywhere you are going, make sure you have a receipt and a tangible thing you are going to do there. Because if you don't bring it, you don't bring your receipt, and there is no reasonable thing, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I love you. Please love yourself too and keep yourself safe. As I said before, there is no there. If you want my help, you need me, please write me some messages. If you need, I will send you the voice message of the lawyer who just pass it to everyone and tell people what they are going to do about if you have violated the law. And please don't be one of those people because it's not good. Prevention is better than cure. Remember, repeat, prevention is better than cure. And that's now that's thing I want you to understand. I will continue repeating is the 5 laws, which is very easy. Very, very easy. 5 beautiful laws that they say we should keep for our own life. For because they love us, they don't want you to be affected. They don't want you to die. That is why they ask you to keep yourself from all these things. So as they love you, please you love yourself too and love them too and respect them too because they love you, they respected you. You are living in their land. Please, please, please. And this 5 thing is that don't go out of your home if you don't have anything important doing aside. It's only when you are sick, call the doctor. Call the doctor with your phone. I told you, put Komu on your Google, Komu dot the area you are staying. Everything you want is written there. If you don't know how to read it, please translate it. At the end, it is translate. They will translate it in English. If you don't know who to ask, write me. I will help you out. When there's a time, allergic time you are coming now, allergic is not virus. Please be aware, allergic is not virus. Virus is virus. It's different. And it doesn't have race, it doesn't have name, it doesn't have baby. It affects everyone, both young to old. Okay, another thing, wash your hands regularly. Please wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Let the water flows. If you don't have your water every time, you are not there where water is, there is this gel we are using now. You can put 2 or 3 drops in your hands and you wash your hands with it, please, like this. Remember, you keep your hands like this with this one like this, and like this again. You do like this. Make sure inside, outside, your hands all over. This is how you are going to wash your hand with the gel every time when you have it. Please don't mistake not to do that. And when you are still washing your hands, use the same method. And don't shake anybody. Don't hug anybody. Don't touch your hands, your nose when your hands are not clean. Don't touch your nose, don't touch your mouth, don't touch your eyes. These are the first thing it affects, especially those that use glass like me. Before we start using glass, because we have eye problem, please don't touch it. And when you know you are using glass, please, your glass, if your hand is not clean, don't touch your glass. Don't touch anything that you know that it will affect you. Before you touch anything, when you go to the supermarket, remember your gloves. Remember your gloves you put in your hands. Remember you put it in your hands. Wear it very well. Let me show you when you wear it, when you are going to pull it out, how you are going to do it. That even if it is affected with anything you touch, you don't know who touched it before you come there. And when you touch it, it might have affected you. Okay, you put it like this. And your mask always with you. You know how to wear it. I showed you the other day. Remember, this side is on your mouth and this side is on your arm. There are different kind of masks. This one is for my protection. There is even the one that you can protect others and protect it from you. So that one is different. And remember, every mask is not for all the months. It's for every 8 hours. So the one you have, if you don't have much, please stay at home not to use it. And when you finish, by the time you need it most, you might not have it. And remember, don't stay in gathering. Stay away from every gathering, meetings and all those things. Whatever you people want to do now, just disdate it. Nothing is done by now. Even when you are staying at home, stay 1 meter from each other. Don't sit close too much. Stay 1 meter from each other when you are talking. Don't spit on anyone. Don't sneeze on anyone. When you want to sneeze, thank God, when you want to sneeze, there's a fascinator you can use now. You sneeze or eat hot shoe, close it immediately and throw it outside in the dustbin immediately. No put it in your pocket, neither in your chest, neither one place or the other. So right away in the dustbin, and dustbin will be outside of your home, not inside. Remember, when you allow those things to remain in your house, it can affect any other thing. So please stay in your home. Please, when you are talking,